Hello friends, welcome you all in this channel. Today we will learn about keyboard, the most essential device of computer system, input device, the keyboard. Keyboard is an important part of computer system. As we use a pen or a pencil to write in our notebook, similarly we need a keyboard to type anything on the computer. Using a keyboard, a person can type a document, use keystroke shortcuts, access menus, play games, and perform a variety of other tasks. A keyboard had its own processor, circuitry, that is key matrix, and a ROM storing the character map. It uses a variety of switch technology. There are different types of keys on the keyboard, like typing keys or alphabet keys, number keys or numeric keys, navigation keys, function keys, control keys, and special keys. Different keyboards have different number of keys on it. Some may contain 84 keys, 104 keys, and 110 keys also. But a standard QWERTY keyboard consists of 104 keys. So let us know about the types of keys one by one. So the first type of keys are alphabet keys. Alphabet keys or typing keys have all the letters from A to Z. They are used to type the letters of the alphabet. When typing in English, we use some letters more frequently than others. Thus, a keyboard is designed to help us reach the most frequently used keys easily. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. Second type of keys are number keys or numeric keys. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked from 0 to 9. We find the number keys at two places on the keyboard. One is above the alphabet keys and second is on the right hand side of the keyboard. The numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard is active and can be used for typing only when we press num lock key. Then are function keys. They are 12 in number, marked from F1 to F12. The function keys allow user to enter frequently used operation in a single keystroke. So each function key acts as an individual command. Then are navigation keys. These keys are also known as arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. They are used to move the cursor on the screen. Arrow keys are also known as cursor movement keys. 4 arrow keys are up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up from its current position. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down from its current position. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left and right arrow key is used to move the cursor right. Control keys allow cursor and screen control. Displayed objects and menu can be selected using the control key. In addition to this, there are some special keys, and these keys perform special tasks. Some special keys are spacebar key, enter key, escape key. Enter key, it is the most commonly used key on the keyboard. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line on the monitor. It is also known as return key. A blinking line can be seen on the screen when we type anything using keyboard. This line is called cursor. Cursor tells us the location or the current position of the screen where the text or numbers will appear when we type using keyboard. Then comes our spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Spacebar key is used to give blank space between the text. Escape key, it is used to exit or escape from the task. Its short form is ESC. The caps lock key is used to write in capital letters. When this key is pressed and the indicator glows, it starts writing in capital letters, and again when we press this key, it gets deactivated, indicator gets off, and it types in small letters. So with the help of caps lock key, both capital as well as small letters can be written. And in between the text, if we want to write a single alphabet in capital, then we use shift key. Shift key in conjunction with some other alphabet key is used to write in capital letters. Some other control keys are Control Alt Del, page up, page down, home, and these are the main keys of keyboard. There are different types of keyboards available, like virtual laser keyboard, true touch roll-up keyboard, iron illuminated keyboard, wireless keyboard. Though the basic working technology is same for all the keyboards, their design variation is to make the keyboard easier and safer to use and versatile and elegant.